Hi friends, this is Harshvardhan Reddy, mechanical engineer, and today I am to discuss about one topic regarding to the very important and famous topic, and one device is refrigerator. First we all know who is the inventor of refrigerator and what is refrigerator. That all we know, but don't worry, I will explain all those things soon as well as. But refrigerator is a popular household appliance. A refrigerator is used very each and every house. That's why it is a popular house appliance. That's why it is called. And artificial refrigeration starts in 1750s. And artificial refrigeration is a the first refrigerator was invented in 1750s. It was developed nearly 1805. That artificial refrigeration was developed in 1800s. It means the history of artificial refrigeration began. A Scottish professor, William Cullen, designed a small refrigerating in 1755. The first invented the refrigerator is a Scottish professor, William Cullen, was designed a small refrigerating machine in 1750. It was developed in 1805, that we all know. I think in 1805, Olive Evans was described. He is a American scientist. He was American professor. He was described a closed vapor compression refrigeration cycle of ice by either under vacuum. This means the ice formation of the refrigerator inside the refrigerator with the help of vacuum. Olive Evans was described the system. And one more thing, what is refrigerator? That we all know. What is refrigerator means? It is a process of removing heat from a low temperature reservoir to high temperature reservoir. This means to remove the heat, whatever the heat in the products or nothing, we remove the heat by placing in the refrigerator. I think we all seen ice cubes, how the ice cube will form. When the ice cube machine will form, that we should know at present. That is, the first commercial ice making machine was discovered in 1854. In 1913, it was released in the market and used very home and very uselessly and very common to use. In 1920s, expanded the market in 1930s. It is released in 1913. The father of refrigerator is Jacob Perkins. The idea of refrigerator was described comes from how the idea will come. That means a American professor, that is Oliver Evans, from the idea of to discover a refrigerator. Who invented ice? That is, in 1854, a American physician, John Curie, built a refrigerator to make the ice and cool the air. In the period of 1854, an American physician was introduced. It was discovered how the making ice and cool the air, but a refrigerator, John Curie, that scientist. The main reason for inventing this is to cure the yellow fever patients. This is the disease of ice cubes making.